Hey everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a magic ring, which is a loose slip knot. Then after that, I will be chaining 2 and doing 10 double crochet stitches in the ring. After that, I pull the tail end of the ring to close it. Then I slip stitch into the very first stitch, then chain 2. Then into every stitch I do 2 double crochet stitches. Now I will be slip stitching into the first double crochet stitch, then I will be chaining 2, and this will be my first increase row. In the first stitch I will be doing a double crochet stitch, and then in the second stitch after that one I will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. So you will be doing a double crochet stitch in the first stitch, and then the second stitch after that you will be doing an increase of 2. So every second stitch you will be doing 2 double crochet stitches in the same space. Now you will be closing off the row again and then chaining 2, and you will be doing another increase row. So do a double crochet stitch in the first 2 stitches and then increase on the third stitch. So you will continue doing this for the rest of the top part of the hat. So for the next row after this one, you will do 3 double crochet stitches in the first 3 stitches and then increase on the 4th, and so on and so forth. So I just finished the top part of my hat, and it measures to be about 6.5 inches. Make sure to measure yours to fit the top of your head. And now I will be working on the midsection. So I'll be chaining 2 and doing back loop double crochet stitches so that it can bend. be slip stitching to close off the row and chain 2 and do double crochet stitches all the way around again for the midsection until you reach the length that you want. So after that, you will cut your yarn and then pull through the last half double crochet stitch, and then you will be weaving in and hiding your ends.